Welcome to Blackjack Special.
Yeah, guys, came back from vacation here. Now, I'm gonna try and start getting the G together. All right, so both tires in the front is flat for whatever reason. This is not the first time this happened. Actually, when I had the car parked before, I came down here and both tires in the front was deflated. So I don't know what it is. Maybe it's because it's a little cooler down here and the car is just sitting. I have no idea, guys. But yeah, we're just trying to get this car running. Just gonna jump start it right now. I'm gonna use a Civic just to jump start it, and then I'm gonna try and see if I can put air in these tires to know if the tires are still good, or do I need to buy 2 new tires for the front, because I've already got 2 new tires for the rear. These Michelin Cup tires, pretty much brand new tires I got for a really good price. All right, for this car. Or worst case, I can throw on the OEM wheels right here. But yeah, so the problem is the car is so low, and with the tires being deflated, I can't get the jack under the car. Okay, so oh shit, damn. I'm trying to do everything with one hand, and the tire just hit the back of the bumper there. No biggie. What we're gonna do is we're gonna jump start this car first, get it running. Then I'm gonna try and find 2 pieces of like wood that I can drive the car up on the pieces of wood, 2x2s or whatever. And then I can get the jack jack the car up. Then I'll try and put air in the tire and see. Because with the car, the weight of the car and everything, it seems like the pump just can't, you know, air the tire up the way it is right now. So I'm gonna have to jack the car up, try and put air in there, see if it's holding air, and then I'll know for sure what's happening with this car. I don't know why this thing don't want to start. I mean, it's on there pretty good. It just seems like it's not getting enough power, or maybe I'll just give it a little bit of time. Why it's not jumping. Okay, let's try it again. One more time. Well, not one more time. We're gonna try this bitch until it's running. Let's go. Ooh, she running. All right, guys, we finally got this thing running. Finally. Look. Thanks to the Civic. Thank you, Civic. You're so reliable. You always there for me when I needed you. You always there when I need you. Thank you, Civic. Alright, guys, so it's just gotta find 2 pieces of wood. I'm gonna get some air in these tires. Look at that ass. Yep, she's rumbling right now. Remember, guys, the exhaust is broken, so I'm gonna try and take it for a little drive, or we're gonna take it for a little drive just to have it running, you know, so battery don't die on us again. And yeah, see how she's feeling. Gotta get that other fog light, the light bulb for the fog lights in. Little things we gotta do, guys, little things. Woo. Listen to this thing. So nice today in Canada. Looking nice. right, guys, I think let's go this way. Thing is, right, it's rush hour everywhere right now. Should we put it in map 2? All right, boys, let's go map 2. I'm ready for some pops. Me too.
I've been in a fast car and so long.
She not bad until we boost it.
Yeah, it's nice though. It's nice.
Still does a little thing, you know. It's not bad, you know. Problem is now it's rush hour.
Yeah.
So it's like no way to go. I might pull it back out like in the evening. We'll see. Yeah, you're right. Let's just go back. Yeah, guys, we're just in the Veeks. It's a little quick drive. See how she's running, and then we're just gonna head back. You know, got some work we gotta do before we actually bring her out. But yeah, does feel really good.
Yeah. All right. All right.
Head back home. Car's doing that weird thing with the clutch again. I thought I solved that issue last time I topped up the fluid. I just gotta check it. Maybe I gotta top it up again. But yeah. Anyways, I know how to drive her with issues, so. The hell is
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I'm that cash money getter, big show stopper.